You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 1.0012345666. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Carry 1 to the 100 millionths place. 1 plus 8 plus 7 equals 16. Carry 1 to the 10 millionths place. 1 plus 7 equals 15. Carry 1 to the millionths place. 1 plus 6 equals 14. Carry 1 to the 100,000ths place. 1 plus 5 equals 13. Carry 1 to the 10,000ths place. 1 plus 4 equals 12. Carry 1 to the thousandths place. 1 plus 3 equals 11. Carry 1 to the hundredths place. 1 plus 2 equals 10. Carry 1 to the tenths place. 1 plus 8 equals 10. Carry 1 to the ones place. 1 plus 0 equals 1. And so the final result is 1.0012345666.